Oh, hi. It's Chris at Lime Punch Forge. So today's Wednesday. Like I said on Monday, Wednesday is rolling mill day. So, why am I doing a video, you might ask? Did you hear me? Wednesday is rolling mill day. So, today being Wednesday, it's rolling mill day. So, here we go. This is the Pepe Tools Ultra Series Superior Rolling Mill, and it's a 160 combo, so 160 millimeters wide, and it's a combination mill, which means it uses grooves to make half round, square, and gets you set up for making your own wire using draw plates and that kind of stuff. So I like to invite you guys to be here. I already opened the top. I can't fit. I opened the top. I looked inside. I saw the packing. I saw the handle. This little fella. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. We'll put him there for later. So I'm going to invite you guys along for the rest of the trip. Comes packed nice and tight. You got this big padded piece of cardboard on top. Comes on top, mill's all bolted in, and essentially it should arrive to you nice and safe. So I'm going to go ahead and slice the outside of this box off nice and carefully. Because I really don't feel like lifting it out. Remember to cut away from you, not toward you. Toward you is bad. Alright, so inside you have all this kind of fun stuff. So what I'm going to do is take this stuff out, move it away, and start slicing the bottom ones off. Kind of show you guys how it arrives. I cut toward myself. Yay. Pay close attention to your heavy duty stickers here. And we're going to go ahead and, so this mill is about 75 pounds. So I got my Pepe Tools sticker. Are you ready? Ta-da! All right, we've got our instructions, so I can read it. Put that aside and look at them when I can't figure out what I'm doing. Go ahead and do another part of this video probably coming up in editing, talking about what this does, what it has, the 160 has as far as accessories goes, and then what I'm going to do as far as bolting it down, because right now I don't have anything to bolt it down with. So we'll go ahead and do that and we will go ahead and cut for now, and I'll come back when I've got a little bit more set up.